So guys, for the first step, make sure that your USB is plugged in. Now for the second step, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it and now this will come up. Maybe your USB does not have a drive letter on it. So you want to find your USB, you want to right click on it and then click on change drive letter and paths. And now once this comes up, you want to select your USB and then click on change. You want to choose a drive letter for your USB and then click on OK and then click on yes. And now once you've assigned the drive letter, see if that works for you. You can now open up File Explorer, go to this PC and then hopefully you can access your USB drive. For the second method, it might be saying unallocated. If it does, then you want to right click on it and then click on New Simple Volume. Once this comes up, you want to click on Next. Click on Next again. Choose a drive letter. Click on Next. Choose your file system, etc. and your volume label name that you want. And then click on Next. And then click on Finish to then start the format. Once you format your drive, see if that works for you.